Hi guys! Prazel here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga natanggap ko sa pasalo-salo nila kanina. So if you guys watch the vlog, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko ma-upload tong video na to, but kanina lang natapos yung salo-salo namin. It's already 11:45. I just wanna say, sobrang thankful ako guys sa inyong lahat. Kahit na hindi ako yung super hands-on na YouTuber kasi hindi ako nakaka-reply sa mga comments. Pero nandyan pa rin kayo and sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga kayo guys. As in sobrang, hindi ako marunong pero I hope alam nyo na sobrang na-appreciate ko kayong lahat. Super thank you. Sobrang hulas ko na guys. And I'm wearing this kasi wala akong pantulog. It so happened na binigay sa akin to ni Very Merry. Super thank you. Pretty Mary, Very Merry. Super thank you. So sinuot ko na siya. So ito na yung ipapakita ko sa inyo first. Cactus. Meron siyang pineapple. Yun, oh, ang cute. Tapos ang niya, ang lamig niya sa katawan, which is good kasi pwede din siya pang summer. Thank you so much. As in, thank you talaga. Now, the elephant in the room. Ito para kay Lyra. Thank you so much. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan, guys. Sobrang makakalimutan ako. Kahit nasabihin mo sa akin ngayon, like, a minute later, makakalimutan ko na siya. Vinag ko siya kanina. Kasi kanina ko lang vinag, nakalimutan ko na. Anyway, ito bigay niya para kay Lyra at saka para kay Tony. Yan. And then, bigay niya din sa amin ito. Ang ganda. Sobra. Hindi ko alam kung paano namin ito dadalhin sa plane. Hindi ko alam.
It's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's
Super
really good.
thank you. As in, sobra. Totoo, ang ganda guys. Wedding pictures namin na done. Look at you, babe.
Oh my God.
You're OOTD. Do you like that?
Yeah, it's
I
fantastic.
know,
It's
it
fantastic.
is. Thank you, guys. Hello, nasira na, babe. Ito galing kay Kath. Ang sweet nito, guys. Tingnan nyo nga to. Cupcake. Hindi pa namin to na-open. Nalaglag to ni Dan kanina, kaya kung
Nice.
ano-ano nang nangyari sa... Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Hello, babe. Nasira.
Ooh.
Guys, cactus siya, oh.
Oh.
Ay, my gosh. See, eat one.
Oh, wow, that's pretty good.
Guys, sobra. As in, yung mga ganito, yan yung para kay Dan.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, you like it? I love it! Oh my gosh, mine looks way better than yours. Oh my gosh, Kath, thank you so much. Ang ingay ko ba? May nag-check-in pala sa kabila siguro. Look at this, guys. Pineapple. Wait, let me show you one. Is it really good?
Yeah.
Pineapple, guys.
I'll try something before.
Oh, yum! Sobrang thank you! So, ito sa bag na to. This one, galing siya kay Kerwin. Guys, ang daming binigay sa akin ni Kerwin, especially yung galing sa Ariana Beauty and Body. Thank you so much. Kaya lang, hindi ko na siya madala lahat kasi mga sabon sila, tapos mabibigat na sila. Yung luggage namin, punong-puno pa ng pasalubong. So, like, sorry, pero hindi ko madala lahat. I did a giveaway sa vlog na yon. So, yung mga hindi ko dinala ni Kerwin para ipa-giveaway sa inyo guys. But Kerwin gave me this. It's the Ever Belena Liquid Lipstick Beauty Set. So, 3 liquid lipsticks. Thank you, Kerwin. This is for Mimay. Therese and Dan. Merry Christmas. That's cute. Of course, I remember you. Nakakaloka. Nagkita tayo last year. I like this.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, Blessed Rosary bracelet from Manawag Church. Yan, meron siyang
That's cool.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's really nice. Salamat.
That's nice.
Sobrang thank you. Thank you, Mimay.
Some of those cakes, we're not going to eat them all.
Okay.
I want to take them downstairs to people not working and give them to them. Not all of them.
Okay,
Keep some
yeah,
to
yeah,
us
yeah,
because
yeah.
they're going to go to waste, and why not
Yeah,
give them to
yeah, yeah,
people that
sure.
enjoy it? For the good people that
Do
enjoy
you want
it.
to do it now?
Yeah,
Put
put
some
clothes
clothes
on.
on.
You can do this.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
So, but like, keep 1 or 2 for yourself. I don't want any more. I'm gonna give them like, because they'll put the workers down there will eat them.
Yeah, sige.
You want to keep 1 for yourself?
I will keep one
Or
of the
2?
pineapple one.
Okay, yeah, do that.
Ibibigay namin siya sa workers dito kasi hindi naman namin kayang kainin to lahat. Pero thank you so much. As in, thank you talaga.
What is the key over here? Do it.
Okay. Love you, babe. Thank you.
That's right.
Ito. So, galing naman to kay Leslie. Guys, kapag nagkamali-mali ako sa kanino galing, sorry. Kasi kanina, ang dami na. So, sana merong pangalan. Towel. Ala, kailangan to ni Dan. Kasi sobrang pinapawisan siya. Salamat. Meron pa siyang laman sa loob. Ay! Daily Scent. Spring Break. Galing kay Bench. Yan. Hala, bango! Walang etchos. Ang bango talaga. Gagamitin ko yan. Thank you so much. And then, meron siyang gift sa mga Indays. As in, Ate Maganda, lovely. This is for me. And then, ito walang pangalan. So, I'm not sure. Ay, hala. Ganito siya, guys. Pouch. Divina! Divina yung pangalan. My gosh, bakit ko nakalimutan? Ay! Binigyan niya ako ng Vice Good Vibes Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Chukcha. Wala pa ako nito. Super thank you! Thank you so much, Leila and Divina. Sobrang thank you. Guys, wala siyang pangalan, so I'm assuming sa akin siya. Paano kapag hindi pala sa akin to? I-open ko. Wala talaga siya pangalan. Sa akin to. I think galing din to kay Leila. Parang para sa akin ata to. Hello, cute! Ay, pwede namin tong... Miniso galing. Pwede naman tong lagyan ng ano namin. Coins. Ay, bongga. Thank you. And guys, ito galing kay Kim. Alam niyo naman, mahal na mahal ko yung babaeng yan. Bongga. Thank you, Kim. As in, thank you talaga. Meron tayong... Wait, si Daddy. Wait, babe. Alright, so ito guys, galing kay Kim. Necklace. Ganyan. Kompleto na talaga yung collection ko ng necklace galing kay Kim. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga necklaces, doon kayo sa Kim's Collections 2015. Kasi ito, yung mga sinusuot ko, yung cross, yung heart, galing sa kanya lahat yun guys. Hindi siya nagtatarnish. Naliligo ako araw-araw.
Link below.
Link below. Sinusuot ko siya kapag naliligo ako kasi hindi ko inuhubad yung necklace ko. But yeah, nandito pa rin siya guys. Still really good. Hello, oh my gosh, I like this. Gusto ko yan. Sobrang simple lang. I like that. Oh, I have an earring. Oh, perfect. Gusto ni Dan palitan ko yung earring ko kasi lagi siyang parang very prone siya na matanggal yung niya, lock niya. So yan. Susuot ko na to. Kat, thank you sa cupcakes ha. Sobrang nagustuhan ng mga tao sa baba yung cupcakes. Thank you. Oh, long necklaces. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Kim. Yan. Meron siyang ganyan. Oh, I love this one as well. Ha? Alam niya talaga ako yung mga gold ko. Yan. At saka marble. Ay, hindi pala marble yan. Parang, yeah, yan. Sobrang thank you, Kim. Kim's Collections 2015 PH. I think nagbago na naman yung social media niya, guys. Kasi na-hack na naman. So, ililive ko yung link below, ha. Yung updated social media niya. And then, binigyan niya ako ng bag. Kasi si Kim, nagbibenta na siya ng mga bag, guys. Tapos ito, meron siyang tawag sa ganito yung tinatali mo sa bag mo para design. Ay, hala, bongga to. Akala ko malaki siya. Maliit pala siya. Which is good, kasi prefer ko yung maliit. Kasi alam niyo naman ako. Ay, nice! Long charm. Ay, ito yung kulay niya, guys. Ang cute nito, maliit. It comes with a strap. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga ganito, maganda yung quality niya. Ano lang to, obviously, replica lang siya. Pero, bongga. Okay, so dito na tayo sa malaking plastic. So, ito yung galing kay Ariana Beauty and Body. Thank you. As in, thank you so much. So, meron tayong, yan guys. Kayo na bahala dyan. Wait, is it focusing?
What is that? Pink Pussy collection. What is it? Edible undies?
It's whitening, exfoliating, anti-acne, and anti-aging. Yung mga nila guys, pangalan nila, very alam niyo na. Sobrang dami nito binigay sa akin ni Kerwin, galing sa Ariana, kaya lang nga, hindi ko siya madala. So yeah, meron akong pag-giveaway sa previous video. Anyway, I decided to keep this kasi gusto ko yung pangalan niya, Gold Digger. Babe, mga Gold Digger. Look at this. Gold Digger. So, so this one is a bleach soap. So, whitening bleaching soap siya. Made with real gold dust. Oh, bongga. Meron din ako nung Ariana Beauty and Body Beach Fleece Diamond Peel. Sabi ni Kerwin, ito daw, isa sa mga nire-recommend niya kasi best-seller nila talaga daw to. So yeah, I decided to keep that. Ariana Beauty and Body Wet Dreams. Lotion to guys. This is for deep moisture. Meron sila deep moisture tapos instant whitening. I chose the deep moisture. Alam niyo naman ako at saka yung mga lotion ko. Diba? I love lotions. Ito bigay sa akin ni Kerwin. Thank you, Kerwin. I can use that on my toes. We have the one night stand charcoal mask. Ay, itsura niya guys. Sabi ni Karen, maganda din to daw. Sorry?
Good nice.
I know! Sabi ko sa'yo, baby. Ito yung Nichido Ultra Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. Yan, Nichido. Wala ako nito. Kasi paano naman ako magkakaroon? Diba? Wala naman ako dito. Nirecommend din to sa akin ni Kerwin. Ariana Beauty. Hala, I can't say that. Facial Serum. Yan. Look at, read this. And And then, last one from Ariana Beauty is the Spray Over Me deodorant. Yan, guys. Thank you so much, Ariana Beauty and Body and Kerwin. Thank you. Okay, ito na, guys. This, galing din ito sa mga baby bears natin. Guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha, yung print nito, sobrang ganda ng quality. So, this is from A Printed Shirts. A Printed Shirts. Ililive ko yung link nila below. So, they have Facebook, Instagram. This is so good. As in, sobra. This is for Danny Boy.
That'll be easy.
Yeah?
And then some.
So, that's
That did the big guy.
Simply Rays. And then it says, Papa Dan. Look how cute the bear! Yung bear, guys, sobrang ganda. Put it on now. I already actually put this on earlier. Kaya lang yung romper ko pa dito. So, hinubad ko siya. Oh my gosh! Hello, babe! Couple goals! Hello, we should have worn this. Come on, sit down here! Tingnan nyo, guys! Hello, babe. That looks really good on
It
you.
fits well.
I know!
Good
Salamat, guys! And then, asa na yung akin? Aw, look at this. Mama Bear.
Put it on.
Yeah, sige. Do you like it? They said they did the I am different colors, like I'm Rays, and like it's Simply Rays and then I'm Rays. I love this. Let's wear this, babe. To the airport. Couple go.
No. No way. I might wear it when you rent a booth for your little meetup thing.
Oh, in Cebu, yes. Look at us. I love this,
Oh my
guys. Thank
God.
you. Ang ganda.
Good quality though.
It is.
Yeah, it is good
The
quality.
print is really nice as well. Like, parang wala lang siya, pero nandun siya. Now you need to stay there because they've got some gifts for you as well. Hala, do you remember where is this from? I'm not sure. Who gave you this? Someone gave you this.
They're
Do you
all the
remember?
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I can't remember. It was the girl that was staying here, isn't it?
Yeah?
I don't know, maybe. Was the blonde girl?
The blonde girl. Who's the blonde girl? Mary?
I don't know their names.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you! Hindi ko na alam.
Whoever
Kasi...
gave it to us, thank you.
So, he got Snickers and M&M's. Do you want to open what's in here?
Nah, I'm so full
Okay.
tonight. I'm so full.
I'm just saying
and grumpy.
open.
And grumpy.
He was grumpy.
Very grumpy. We waited outside almost 3 hours. We got there at 4:30 tonight. And someone messed up the booking.
I didn't.
And-
Peek.
I'm not blaming anyone. I'm not blaming you.
Guys, I have this. Now, I forgot sino nagbigay. Pero, thank you so much. It's a Samsung phone.
There's a card in here.
Shut up.
Well, there's a few cards.
Whoa, heaps of cards.
That's for Lyra, Kathy. Oh, there's for
This is for
Gilligan.
the Indies.
Okay.
This is for the Indies. So, are these for the Indies?
That must
as
be
well?
for them. Yeah. That must be for them.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that works out right.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sa kanila pala to, guys. Hindi pala sa akin to.
Presents for the girls back home.
Ito, just a little something. Hope you like it. Merry Christmas. Sil! Si Sil. I appreciate you so much, Sil. Thank you.
Coffee.
Yuri Healthy Coffee! Hala, I need this.
Drugs. Thank you.
Thank you!
More drugs needed.
Thank you! And she's bringing us that rice cake as well with the chocolate.
God.
I know, tomorrow. Thank you! Thank you, Sil. You know where this is from. That's for you. That's not for me.
I say chocolate because only if people
Where is that from?
people only get me chocolate.
I know.
Chocolate.
Yeah. But you love it though. Like,
I do.
it will be eaten,
I
guys.
do.
Do you know where that?
It goes to a good home.
Yeah. From
This
who?
McCarty Girls
Yeah. Belle. Thank you,
Belle.
Be.
and
Neg.
Neg
And Neg.
and Neg.
Thank you.
Ooh, I dropped something.
Did you?
Oh,
I think it's
wait.
just the ice.
Ah, it's just the ice.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I know. It's fancy.
wow,
One.
fancy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Be. Hello. Oh my gosh, mask. Hello, babe. Ito na naman tayo. So, wala na namang pangalan. Wait, meron.
Money? Is there money?
Social naman ang card, oy. Thank you.
You're number one fan and second
From
cause
Kath
Danny Boy.
again! From Kath. Thank you.
Wow. Dear Daniel, you are the best. Thank you for putting up with Razel. I know she can be hard work, but someone has to do it. You have lots of patience in the world, and you're very gorgeous. Rose is very lucky to have a man like you in her life. Very lucky. I am jealous. Love.
Kat.
Yeah. Just kidding. Doesn't say that.
Thank you,
Doesn't
Kat.
say that.
Ito galing kay Kat. So we have, oh nice!
Ooh,
D, that's for you, babe.
the big D.
That's
That's
a big
me.
D. That's a big D right there.
That's me.
Right?
That's me.
Look at this! Iba talaga kayo, guys. Grabe. Mask. 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 Oh, love this. Meron tayong orange.
These get used a lot, so
Oh yeah, I use it a lot.
more masks are better.
Thank you. And then we have, ooh, hand cream. I love hand creams as well. Thank you so much. Ah, tassel earrings. Oh my gosh. Black one. Gray, really long gray one. Matatalo ko na si Lyra nito, tsaka si Lovely sa mga pataso. And maroon. Okay, this one. Hala. Marks and Spencer.
Whoa.
Hey, Dan! That's for you!
Ah.
Show them, babe. Be a good YouTuber.
The best way to a man's heart is through his belly. Thank you.
Thank you, Ka. This is from Agil. Agil, thank you so much. Kahit nabuntis siya, guys, nagstay talaga siya doon ng matagal. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Mag-ingat ka lagi.
You're talking to the microphone. Hello.
You know what? That's from Liam. That's his toy,
Hello.
but he wants to share it to me.
Does he?
This is from Zenzes. Oh, bongga. Vanilla cream body spray. Vanilla cream body scrub. Perfect. Naubusan na ako ng body scrub. This is from Belle. Thank you so much, Belle. Oh, no. This is from her friend. Galing kay Chloe Nista. Thank you. Mga products niya to. Magpapasend pa sana siya ng product sa Cebu address ko. Kaya lang, sure ako na hindi ko na siya matatanggap kasi aalis kami agad-agad. So, we won't stay there for long. But we
Is this
have...
for the girls?
Is it? Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah.
This is
That's
for
for
me.
you.
Okay. Wonder Dio. Salamat! Is that for Anne and Kath?
Anne and Kath.
Okay, that's good. Ito from Belle na to. So, Nichido Ultra Stay Matte Liquid and Riva.
Ah!
A headband.
This is for me.
Is it for you?
I got no idea.
Maybe it's for you. That's cactus. You can wear that.
Fit me.
You can have it.
That won't fit me.
That's fine. And then we
Come on.
have this as well. Salamat, babe.
Did you-
And then look at this. Thank
Nice.
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, Belle.
Ililive ko yung link ni Chloe Nista below, guys. Sana may pangalan. This is from Bettina. Thank you so much. From 8 Printed Shop. So, same nung nag-print itong mga shirts na to. Hala, babe, that's you. Hello, look at this. This is nice. Thanks. Let's open it.
No. You open yours, I'm opening mine.
Why?
I don't want to.
Oh, I love this.
Oh,
It says wifey.
We're gonna wear these matching all the time.
You're right. This is the last one. This is from Liam and Chel. Thank you so much. So, shinare niya sa akin yung toy niya. Thank you. It's a microphone na umiilaw-ilaw.
Hello.
Hello,
Oh,
Papa!
that will be handy.
I will use this.
We'll use it to get onto the next plane with all the gifts. We would use that. Seriously, we would use that.
I will use
That's
this.
perfect.
Oh, thank you so much! Ang ganda pa!
Solve some problems.
Yeah. Ilalagay namin dito yung mga hindi magkasya na sa luggage. So we have, hello, cute.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is some of his toys that he
Oh,
wants
really?
to share. Yeah. Sobrang thank you naman, Liam. Merong ganito. Oh, it lights up. This
one does.
lights up. Liam made this card. Super thank you. Look at that. And then meron pa siyang drawing dyan. Ate Razel and Kuya Dan, take care always and I love you both. Aww. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yeah, yung mama niya, bakit ako naiyak? Yung mama niya, dinala din siya last year and yeah, ang cute na batang yun. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Liam.
As in, thank you.